have a guest with
me again.
It's her again. I mean, it isn't really a guest because she's in like every single video. And what are you gonna be building?
A bracelet.
So great, let's get right to it.
So it is called a lovebirds bracelet. The set is 41912. And it has 33 pieces. The age is 6 and up, and it is a bracelet. And then it also comes with this. You get to look at this. The set is 41916. It has 109 pieces, and it is for 6 and up, and it is a fun toy. So I'm gonna be done. So I actually finished the bracelet. It's really neat because it's like birds. I can show them both. I really like this one piece. His eye and the feathers are really neat. Some pieces just fall. And I really like this blue color.
It's nice.
Yeah. Do you want me to go show you other bracelets that I have?
Yeah, I think that would be really cool, Aubrey. Okay. Here, so cut the video and go get them.
I found them, but I actually found something else. I found like this pineapple pencil carrier thing. I can put like all my extra pieces in, or if you really want to, pencils. But I put in this. So, like the ones that I just built, I have some extra pieces that I can put in. So I had like 3 others and I couldn't find them. Oh yeah, and then this one. But I found this. Mad that I couldn't find it, but maybe in the other video when I do this, I could find it. So I may spend time finding them.
So I think that'll be probably wrapping up today's video.